Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the destination. Plug in an external drive and confirm it has more free space than your used system data. Once done, sign in with an administrator account and close heavy programs so files aren't locked. Now open Control Panel and choose Backup and Restore, Windows 7. You're going straight to create a system image. This captures the entire disk state, not just files, which makes full recovery possible, so select that option to continue. You'll now select where and what to back up. In the System Image wizard, pick your connected external drive. Make sure it's formatted NTFS so large files save correctly. Then confirm which drives to include, typically C, and the System Reserved partition are required for boot recovery. After that, click Start Backup. The tool will copy sectors and create a bootable recovery image. Monitor progress and the estimated time. Make sure the PC stays on and connected until once the backup completes, verify the log in Backup and Restore to confirm success, then safely eject the external drive and label it with the date. Make a recovery USB or repair disk now so you can boot and restore the image when needed. That's critical for full system recovery. If something goes wrong, for example a failed image or I/O errors, check available space, run chkdsk on both drives, and ensure the destination is NTFS formatted. Then retry the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.